So what's happening, everyone? Today we're going to be doing a bit of a review on the OCAM 4x4 accessories towing mirrors. These are for the Toyota Hilux or Fortuner 2015 model and up. So this is what I had on there previously, these flimsy crappy little clip-on ones which I thought were going to do the job. But so far 3 months around Australia, they're not faring too well, and they're starting to move a lot, when particularly when you go past road trains and things like that. Yeah, they're not very stable, so bitten the bullet, and we're going to replace them with the OCAM ones. So I've heard a lot of good things about them, and yeah, we'll go ahead and do the unboxing. Alright, so far I'm just going to use a safety blade. These arrived within 2-3 days of ordering, so cannot fault their service. They were ordered on a Sunday and they got a notification saying that they'd already been dispatched by 10 o'clock on the Monday morning, so they got to it straight away. They used express road transport. Just fantastic service, and half the price of the Clearview ones, which is pretty good in my books. There we go, we have our 10mm nut and washers and threaded rod to screw into the mirrors. So these ones are the chrome with the smoke lens. It's your powered part there. That's your adjustment for down low. So just like the Hilux and the Fortuner ones, they got the little wind vortices here. Yeah, they also adjustable in and out like that. These aren't power fold, but they do have electric adjustment on the larger mirror. Loom already set there, well packaged. And the other one is just down in there. All right, we're just going to start with our small, narrow trim remover. Just go underneath the armrest. So just start from the end, just pop the clips up, work your way along. Comes off very easy. One little locating clip in the middle as well. Just get your finger up underneath it, just push it up like that. That just locates there in the middle, just helps locate it in the center. Very easy to pop off. In behind your door latch here, you see a little plastic cover that covers the next screw. Just open that up. Just pops out. Easy as you like. In behind there, make sure the door handle is open, and just pop it out. Now we can do our little tweeter. Same thing. Start at the top, just pop it out. This is a little fiddly just to get the little plug out of the back of the tweeter. Just had to wedge that in there. Maybe something like a fine little screwdriver or something would have been better, but that did the trick. That exposes you to the 3 bolts that hold the factory side mirror on. Just get ready to pop off the door. Might use the bigger one. Just pops off like that. Lift the door card up, and we can now just hang our door card just like that. The reason we take the door card off is because the plug for the electrics on the side mirror is in behind the door card. If it was up here, we wouldn't have to take the door card off, so that's the reason we do that. Just pop that out, that loom. Take out our 3 bolts for the side mirror. And that's out. I'm going to need to get a hand to hold the new ones on while I screw it in place. Alright, so wife's asleep. I just try and do this on my own. So all it is, just feed the loom through the hole like that. Locate the 3 threads in the existing factory holes and just push it in. Simple as that. I've got weather shields, so it's a little bit harder. You just got to get it up and underneath the weather shield, and away you go. We just arrived from Dubbo here in Bathurst, so wife worked last night, so she's a little bit tired. Just put the young fella to sleep. So there's the second one. In the previous step, when I was taking the factory bolts out, I dropped the second one down in here. This is a lot easier if you've got magnetic tip tools. Mine aren't magnetic, but I do have one of these, very handy. Always keep one of these. Little telescopic pen with a little magnet on the end. I just put it down there. Out come the factory bolt. No dramas. So with these, don't do them up too tight in the beginning. Just try and do them up tight, bit by bit. Try to get even pressure across the 3 points. Have a look outside. Make sure it's sealed up properly. Yep. We are looking good. Just clip back up to your factory harness. There we go. Before you do anything else, just check to make sure it works. Turn on the ignition. And let's check our mirror. There we go, accessories are on. Right, left, up, down. Beautiful. Obviously, no power fold on these, but that's all right with me. You can just slide them in and out easily, and you can also just slide them back in manually if you need to. All right, we'll get this door trim back on and see how she looks after all that. Same thing as before. Complete reversal. Attach your plastic back to that factory sealant. That way it's all nice and sealed up. Don't have any dramas with any water ingress or anything like that. Ignition back off. Make sure your loom is on the inside of this little locating lug here. Make sure you don't pinch that. slides on like so. Just start your way from there. Just double check all our screw holes line all back up. Yep. Double check our loom there. Yep. We're all good. And now we can put our screws back in. Adjust your drill to a low torque setting. Turn mine up a bit, it was pretty low. They don't need to be over tight. Double check that. Yep. This one back in here, like so. And there we have it. OCAM mirrors, smoke lens, LED, adjustable in and out. On the 22 GXL Fortuner, kind of matches the rest of the chrome on the car, which is nice. Here's the driver's side. Everything working as it should. Pretty easy job. I was quite daunted at the start, but after watching a couple of other videos, and I thought I'd give it a go myself. So yeah, stay tuned for more content as we travel around Australia. I'm going to be doing a review on this Fortuner at some stage, and also our little Jayco expander Outback. Thank you. Bye.